Changing your motorcycle oil is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. Hi, my name is David, and today I will show you how to change the oil of your motorbike engine. I'll show you in 7 easy steps how you can change your oil and make your bike run smoothly. For more tips on your motorbike, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. You will need a couple of things for this task. Before we go ahead, always make sure to work in a safe environment. Wear gloves. And when working under your vehicle, always wear eye protection. And always make sure to check your owner's manual when you're doing maintenance tasks. First of all, make sure you have the right oil for the job. For this motorbike, I'm using Castrol Power One 10W40. You can see which oil you need by checking the Castrol Oil Finder. Click on the iCard in the top right corner of the screen for more information. Or you can check your bike owner's manual. Furthermore, we're going to need You might also want to put down some cardboard to keep everything clean. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Make sure to park your motorcycle on level ground using the method described in your owner's manual. Some should be parked in a different position in order to check the oil, so check which position is right for your machine. This will help you to drain the oil in the right way. Run your engine for a couple of minutes to warm up the oil. This makes it easier to drain the oil from the sump. Check your owner's manual to see how long this should take. Also, be careful when you're working with warm or hot oil. Switch your engine off and place the drain tray underneath the oil sump and carefully remove the drain bolt using the socket wrench. While the oil is draining, we're going to replace the old oil filter with the new filter. Drain the oil from the filter into your drain tray and wipe the fitting of the oil filter clean with a rag. Set the old oil aside when it's drained and make sure to dispose of the oil responsibly. Now it's time to refit the oil filter. You can use a torque wrench. Check the manufacturer's manual for the recommended torque. If that's not available, hand tighten the oil filter. Before you put in the new oil filter, make sure to rub a little bit of oil on the rubber gasket to make it last longer. And carefully put the new oil filter in place. Now that's done, it's time to refit the drain bolt. Renew the sealing ring of the drain bolt and clean the bolt and socket. It's perfectly fine to use some brake cleaner, for example. If it's clean, smear some fresh oil onto the bolt and start refitting the bolt by hand. Then, tighten the bolt with a socket wrench to the recommended level of tension and you're pretty much done. If you don't have a torque wrench, tighten the bolt carefully. The only thing that's left now is refilling your engine with the new oil. Place the funnel in the fill hole, just like this. Pour the new oil slowly into the funnel. Also, don't pour all the oil at once. About 90% of the recommended amount is fine. Check the level of the oil using either the inspection window or a dipstick. It's important to get the amount of oil just right. Either too much or too little can damage your engine, and that's the last thing you want. The oil level should be near the upper marker. Add the rest of the new oil in small increments until the oil level is near the upper marker. Lastly, remove possible oil spills from the engine surface so your engine is clean and ready to go. That's it. With these 7 steps, your motorcycle engine is oiled up and good to go. Step 1. Level your motorcycle. Step 2. Run the engine for a minute or two. Step 3. Drain the old oil. Step 4. Remove the filter. Step 5. Refit the filter. Step 6. Refit the drain bolt. Step 7. Refill the oil. Let us know in the comments if this video helped you to change your engine oil. We have plenty more videos for you, so make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.